Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll come with a new thing. Here is a 20 drill machine. It's a professional power tools electric drill, and it will give you a 1 year warranty period, so you can claim your warranty if there is any problem with your drill machine. So take a look inside. Oh, it's 220 volt, 50 hertz, 400 watt, and 3500 rpm per minute. Oh my god, this is good. So, and they give multiple tools. It will go there like this. Yes, because there is more. And what is this? Oh, this is some cup bit. It's multiple size. Yes, this is a good tool. You can use it for cutting multiple things like PVC, plastic, even woods, even your wall. And there's the last one thing. Yeah, tada. So here is the complete set. So I guess this drill machine is very good. We can use this. Giving power. Yes, the plug is on, and yeah, super fast. Yes. There is a reverse button here. Yes, this is a reverse button. Yes. So I think you guys will enjoy my video. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.